Hi. The gold team's final of the HCL 2021 event was played out yesterday. Texan Aces versus Formidables, and Texan Aces won with about 59p difference. It was a great match and it was very exciting to watch. Many interesting deals to report, really. However, let us look at a few of the best ones. I have already posted video on one of them. Here is another one. Now this deal reminded me of Kapoor Sahab. One day he had a cancelled client meeting. He had already told home that he was not going to be there for the dinner and would be returning late. But now that the meeting was cancelled, he thought, well, he could take that opportunity to go to the club and play a bit of tennis and bridge. But when he went home after that his wife had already figured out that there wasn't any client meeting and that he had had a bit of tennis and bridge. How did she do that? Well, I won't go into those details, but this deal reminded me of that. Let us see what happened. Through a coded sequence, after North opened one spade, 2 club, 2 diamond, 2 heart, you see all the yellows here. Let us not go into the details of the meaning of those beads. But North showed a minimum hand with 5 spades, and South showed club suit, and North ended up playing in 3 no trumps. Pay close attention to the cards played and then follow the description. So this was the first trick. What was the lead of the jack as per their methods? Standard could be from Ace Jack 10, King Jack 10 or Jack top, Jack 10 9, etc. So the Diamond King could be with east or west from the point of view of the declarer. Now at trick 2, Sundaram played a spade to the ace, and at trick 3 he played a club to the queen, winning the trick. How would you have continued? Now Sundaram was very much aware that Sumit Mukherjee was west and was perfectly capable of attacking club king. So that possibility had to be taken into account. If he had played small spade to ace and played club to jack, and if Sumit held the club king, the contract would have gone down, no matter who had diamond king, because there wouldn't be any immediate entry to the south hand. But if East held the club king, and if clubs were 3-2, and if Sundaram spurned club finesse and instead played, let us say, a heart, West could play heart ace and play a diamond through the queen small combination, and that would be hit, and declarer would go down when he had 9 tricks on top with another club finesse. But the reason I told you Kapoor Sahab's story was this. Sundaram had noticed the small cards. Let me take you to the first trick. So what was the first trick? Diamond jack, diamond ace. Notice the diamond 2 from the waist hand. What does it say? Let us look at their cards, system card. It says partner's lead, attitude, low encouraging. So diamond 2 was encouraging. So West was more likely to have the diamond king. What happened at trick 2? Small spade 6 of spades, king of spades, 5 of spades. You can see that spade 4 is missing. Now, one of the two, east west, had that spade 4 and he was signaling an interest in diamond, and the other person was signaling a disinterest, kind of, a Smith echo. So if you see Smith echo versus Nordstrom, high-low shows interest from both sides. So the person who played high card showed an interest in diamonds. Not possible to know which of them played that high card, but the diamond 2 was a sufficient giveaway of West's encouragement in diamond. Based on that, and based on the knowledge that Sumit Mukherjee was perfectly capable of ducking club king smoothly without giving anything away, Sundaram decided to play Sumit Mukherjee for diamond king. Of course, you wouldn't know who held the club king for sure at this point in time, but certainly his judgment about diamond king was quite right, in that the diamond queen was still a stopper and there was no need to hurry with another club finish. Accordingly, played a heart at trick 3. When that was ducked, his hunch was, his guess was confirmed that diamond king probably was with West. So he played another heart, that was ducked too, and now he made a partial elimination play kind to remove spade from the West hand in case he had only 2 spades, and then played another heart. Now Sumit played king of diamonds and played a diamond to north hand. You can see, if we go back a trick with Sumit to play and heart king in dummy, if the club king was amongst 3 cards and if Sumit did not want to give north a chance to finish again, he could easily have played another heart, throwing the dummy in, and then club ace and back dummy would have had to lose a trick to club. But Sumit deliberately allowed north to win a trick. By this time, everything was clear to Sundaram. He had taken the right line from the beginning. His hunches were confirmed and he was not going to deviate from what he had started to do. So he did not go for a club finish. Instead, he played the club ace. Of course, if you look at the number of tricks, North-South had 7 tricks already. So with club ace and heart king, that would be 9. So just to make the contract, he didn't need to guess the club position, but he must already have been certain about that club position. And now you can see the whole hand. So in the end, Sundaram made 11 tricks for a score of 460. In the other room, as you can see, it was deal number 5. North-South reached 4 spade, that went down 2 tricks. Once again, if you look at this hand, it's a tough hand to bid. Difficult to decide what a good final contract is. There are 3 candidates: 4 spade in a 5-2 fit, 3 no trump, or 5 clubs. As you can see, 4 spade will go down easily because East is sitting with 2 spade tricks, club finish is off, there is heart ace to lose. 5 club will go down with a little more difficulty, but there is a heart rough for East. So If West leads a small heart or ace of hearts, the heart ruff will be the setting trick. The three notrum is almost a cold contract. And North South did well here not to cross three notrum, although of course one could not be sure about any contract. If Diamond King were with East, even three notrum would have gone down. In any case, for the Kibitzers, this was very exciting deals, and they could get to see two experts in action. I hope you like this deal. Thank you for joining. Bye for now.